Well, soil quality or productivity can be termed in different ways. It's really foundational to our existence as humans. Our economies and our livelihoods and our existence are based on primarily on plants as a food source. And then in many cases plants may be fed to animals then, which also become a food source for humans. So a lot of just basic human life relates back to soil and soil quality and its ability to serve as a resource to produce food. And that's our primary interest, is in maintaining that as a resource for human health. Well, our main goals are continued improvements in productivity and efficiency, I think, in fertilizer inputs, to maintain or improve profitability for the farmer in doing so, and that impacts the economy of the state significantly. To maintain productivity, and that comes back to doing our part towards feeding the world and meeting some of these goals that we have 50 years down the road. One large aspect of my research and outreach to growers is how to better manage fertilizers to minimize nitrate movement into groundwater. And we have seen that farmers have done an excellent job over the last 20 years plus of improving how efficiently they use fertilizers. So the yields that they produce every year are higher and higher with the same or less and less nitrogen fertilizer. And then the other component of that I work on is site-specific crop management. And that's understanding the variability of the soil as a resource and trying to manage accordingly. So the inputs, either fertilizer or seed or water or maybe even tillage, can be managed differently in different areas of the field to best utilize the soil resource that's there. Our research directly benefits the taxpayer in many ways, both directly and indirectly. One, it's very evident to find a link between our research and improved efficiency and maintaining or reducing the cost of food. So if we can produce more with the same inputs, that's going to help protect their income. But at the same time, we're wanting to do that by increasing efficiency. We're going to minimize environmental impacts. So if we can maintain or improve water quality and protect soil quality, we can help the taxpayer as well in terms of protecting from remedial costs or maintaining that as a resource for production in the future. The soils in Nebraska are naturally quite productive compared to much of the rest of the world. They're formed from under prairie or short grass prairie soils that are among the most productive in the world. And so the ability to take advantage of that capacity is something that is exciting, I guess, to be able to see a way to use that efficiently and produce food not just for Nebraska but elsewhere in the world.